Hello everyone! Are you tired of watching your Facebook ad budget disappear while your engagement stays at zero? You've built a great product, you've set up the perfect campaign, but your ad section looks like a ghost town. In 2026, cold traffic doesn't convert, social proof converts. A silent ad is an expensive ad. Opening, confident smile. Cut to a screen showing a ghost town at 0 likes, 0 comments versus a viral ad. First, access Facebook and retrieve the ad ID for the specific post. Here is the total comment count for this advertisement. Please click on it. You will then see the direct link to the ad displayed in the browser's address bar above. We will now explore the automated platform. This software provides unlimited Facebook account management and features powerful capabilities for automating high-volume commenting on sponsored posts. Click on Comment function, then select Comment on this interface. Navigate to the Content section. However, you must first access Content Management to create your message templates. Click on Add Post and set the type to comment. Next, enter your text in the content field. I have prepared a sample here for you to review. These entries will be deployed to the advertisement shortly. Now, returning to our main topic, I would like to demonstrate the high-level capabilities of this software. First, select content and input the specific ad ID. Finally, select your accounts and click Start to begin the process. Without a lively comment section, your brand looks untrustworthy. People scroll past because they don't see anyone else buying. This is the #1 reason for high CPA. But today, I'm showing you the secret weapon of top-tier media buyers, automated ad engagement. Show your professional dashboard. Point to the auto-seeding button. The moment your ad goes live, our system triggers high-quality, relevant social proof. When potential customers see people asking for prices, sharing reviews, and saying, "I just ordered," it creates an irresistible FOMO effect. This instant trust triples your click-through rate. Immediately, vibe change. Transition to a high-energy success vibe. Show a wave of positive comments appearing on a mobile screen. Here is the real magic. Facebook's algorithm loves engagement. When our system generates consistent interactions, Meta recognizes your ad as high value. This signals the platform to prioritize your reach and lower your CPC and CPA. You aren't just getting comments, you are forcing Facebook to give you cheaper leads. Show a graph of ad costs going down while leads go up. Use the 5x ROAS graphic from your thumbnail. We also solve your biggest security risk while you sleep. Competitors are lurking in your comments to steal your customers. Our system automatically hides sensitive inquiries and wipes out negative spam or competitor links. Your comment section stays clean, professional, and high-converting 24/7. Show the shield icon glowing green over a comment section. Competitive links disappearing instantly. This is a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Whether you're running 5 ads or 500, you have a high-traffic empire on autopilot, ready to stop burning money and start scaling? Contact our expert team at 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐿 or via WhatsApp at +80 for $1,376,119,126. Let's dominate the global market together. Closing. Confident pose, arms crossed. Text overlay ***@𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐞𝐿.